What I like about Dr. Loria's procedures is that he uses a specific formula that encourages the collagen growth in your own tissue. So it's not like an artificial insert or some kind of plastic or silicone sleeve inserted. It's something that actually generates your own collagen underneath your tissue. So it's your own tissue at the end. It becomes very smooth and very natural, and no one can really tell the difference except you're much larger. Going through this procedure really makes you feel good. I mean, it really changes your whole attitude and your self-confidence. I mean, you feel good about yourself. I tell people when they walk in this front door, they might be 5'3" tall, but when they're walking out, they feel like they're 6'6". It's amazing. It changes your whole attitude and your outlook on life. You feel better. You walk out with your chest is out, your head's up, you're smiling. People look at you and they wonder what's going on. It's because you feel good about yourself. You feel confident. It just really, really changes a lot of people's lives.